In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on mobile using a QR code. If you're already signed into Slack on your computer, this is one of the fastest ways to get the mobile app set up without having to manually type in your workspace details or login information. It's especially useful when you're switching devices and want a quick, secure sign-in experience. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged into Slack on your desktop app or in a browser on your computer. Also, keep in mind that the QR code used for this process is temporary and single use, so it should be treated carefully. Don't take a screenshot of it and avoid showing it during screen sharing. To get started on your computer, open your active Slack desktop app or browser session and bring it into focus. Then look over to the far left sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on your profile avatar to open the account menu. Once that menu appears, select the option that says Sign in on mobile. A new window will open in the center of your screen with the title Sign in on mobile device. In that window, Slack will automatically generate a QR code for you. Leave that screen open and visible because your phone will need to scan it in the next step. Try not to minimize the window or switch away from it until the sign-in process is complete. Now pick up your phone and make sure it's connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Slack app on your device. On the first screen, tap Sign In. After that, choose the option that says Sign In with QR code. This tells the app that you want to use your desktop session to authenticate your mobile device. If Slack asks for permission to use your camera, go ahead and allow it. Once the camera opens, point your phone at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Line it up clearly in the frame and hold your phone steady for a second or two so the app can read it properly. As soon as the code is recognized, Slack will begin signing you in automatically. You may briefly see a loading screen while the app verifies your session and loads your workspaces and channels. After that, you'll be taken straight into your main Slack interface on mobile with no typing required. And that's it. You're now signed into Slack on your phone using the QR code from your desktop session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.